We have the 2005 Bentley Continental GT. Today we're going through the top hidden features of this car. Coming in number first, we have the wing in the background. You can see that it's down currently. We push the button and it flips right on up. This is a hidden feature that most people do not know about these Bentleys, is that they actually have a rear spoiler built into them from factory, which is super cool. Coming in number second, we can actually adjust the ride height like a Jeep Grand Cherokee that we've seen. The one that I used to own had this feature. Showed you the vehicle height. You can make it normal or high off the ground, or there's the suspension, which makes it comfort versus sport. Coming in number third for our hidden features, as you guys can tell, when I push this button, it actually will dim the mirror. This is really great, especially at night, because what that does is it allows for you to be able to not be blinded by the other lights that are up there. Now you can see that this is an on and off feature. It's not an automatic feature. In the newer cars, this is an automatic feature, but it's hidden. Most people don't see it because they just see this little nub right here just kind of sticking out, that little nub right there, and they don't know what it stands for. Coming in next for our hidden features of this car are these actual cool little vents right here. Now if you're not familiar with the Bentley, you know that they turn left and right. You can't really turn them up and down with the actual nozzle. You have to reach in to turn it up and down. Let's say you're tired of it and you don't want to have, you know, air blowing on you. Well, you can actually push this sucker in and it cuts off all airflow. There's no airflow at all. Then when you want it again, you open it back up. You can cool these or heat these up just like on a BMW. So the two vents up here can be hotter or colder for your upper comfort, and then have your lower comfort be more colder or more hotter depending on how you want to. Coming to our last bonus hidden feature of this car is when you're doing gas, you can see right here, you can actually stick that right on there and it holds it. Then you don't have to worry about your gas cap sitting on your nice Bentley ruining the paint, which is super cool. Please make sure to hit that like button. Comment the word Fluffy if you guys stayed to this point in the video, because I want to see who the real ones are who actually stay. Without further ado, guys, please make sure to subscribe, because I will see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog with the next video, as we are posting every single day. With nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.